Third English, I do not like rain too. Listen to the sound of the falling rain. Hear the pitter-patter on my window pane. Welcome, little raindrops coming down, watering the trees and the thirsty ground. The rain makes everything so clean. It fills the rivers, lakes, and streams. It gives the earth the drink it needs to grow our food from tiny seeds. We need water to house the fishes, to wash the laundry and dirty dishes. We need water to drink and bathe in, and it's really lots of fun to swim in. We'll be glad for a rainy day, even if it means inside we stay. Thank God for water in so many ways, because we use it every single day.